I'm here at Boomers, and they have posted a letter that's saying it's been 7 great years, and they are out of business. They're wishing everybody a happy holiday. There's the remaining hours that they had as of November, and now it is January, and they are out of business. We'll have to follow this up.